What are you doing?
With this.
You're doing what? Why do you have to turn on the light, Sophia?
I know.
You don't know.
Let's see.
There's nothing to see.
Let's see.
I'm not taking pictures.
Five. On the five.
You're so silly. Are you silly?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have homework to do?
Yeah.
What are you going to do your homework on?
Pencil. Pencil.
Oh, with a pencil?
No glass.
No crayons. Who said no crayons?
Got that?
Yep, Miss Gata.
A pencil.
Mm-hmm.
And you need pencil.
Mm-hmm. Sit over there. Sit. How old are you?
Yeah.
You're 2. I mean, geez, no, you're not. You're 3. Sophia, come sing a song.
ABC.
Keep going.
ABC.
Car's not on.
On.
Nope.
Yeah.
What sound does the cow make?
Mm.
What song does the duck make?
Quack, quack.
What song does the doggy make?
Woof, woof.
What song does a cat make? Meow.
Meow. Goggle. Goggle.
What? What are you doing? What? What? You looking? There's nothing to look at. Look. What? There's nothing to look at. You're like, get your hand off my camera, Sophia. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Say my name. What's your name?
Yeah.
What's my name?
Sissy.
Mm-hmm. Am I your friend?
No.
I'm not your friend?
Mommy.
Mommy's your friend? Yeah. Is JJ your friend?
No, my daddy is my mommy.
Those are your friends?
Yeah.
I'm not your friend?
Oh my God, my friend, my mommy's friend, my daddy's friend, my Gary's friend.
Well, who is Cece?
And you.
Me. But is Cece your friend?
No.
Why?
Okay.
Cause what?
And my friend, Mama. Oh, my mom. Oh, my mom.
Guess what? Guess what? I love you. Do you love me? You do? Do you love me? How can you disappear? Where did you go? Where did you go?
It got so.
Do you love me?
No,
But do you love me?
no, it's
You don't love me? Do you love me?